Hey everyone, I'm making a follow-up video on my iPhone X restoration because, as you just saw, the power button cable ripped last time. I'll leave a link in the description if you haven't seen that video yet. So I have a donor housing here, and I'll just take the power button flex and transfer it to the restored phone. I just simply have to remove these three screws that hold the power button and the screen holding bracket, after which I carefully remove the flex cable. Switching over to our restored phone, I'll start opening it up. It's gonna be easier to remove the screen because if any of you saw my last video, I haven't added any adhesive because I knew I was gonna open it back up. To change the button, I have to remove the logic board as well as the cameras so I can have access to the screws holding the button. With the old flex removed, I can just repeat the process in reverse and install the new button. After reinstalling the logic board, I'm dusting the camera lenses and add the cameras back in their position, after which I can reconnect everything. Now I can add our seal that we saved from last time and reconnect the screen. At this point, I'll just place back the metal bracket and screw it down. After that, I reposition the screen, starting from the top and pressing it on the sides and bottom, and add the two screws at the bottom. Next, you see me cleaning the speaker and microphone holes because they were clogged. Give the phone a nice clean and we can finally power on the phone from the button we just replaced. And there you have it, I fixed my mistake from last time and restored functionality to the power button. Again, if you haven't seen the previous video, you can do so by clicking the pop-up banner or the link in the description. Thanks for watching, hope you learned something new. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoy my content, and I'll see you next time. Oh, and while you're at it, check out my other videos too. Bye!